if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, maybe you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed, thinking something out of my nightmares, standing right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing me?
Silhouettes of you are like a taunt. Never really know just what you want. With you I don't ever feel calm. I can feel the sweat.
¿Habéis oído hablar de los cazatornados ahí en Estados Unidos? Pues así me está pasando a mí, pero los cazatormentas. Me dirijo hacia la tormenta perfecta.
You know I'm addicted to you, and it's twisted, you've been gifted with the evil voodoo. Got me coming back for more, even when I've been screwed. Dolls full of pins, pierce my heart straight through.
Hola a todos, bienvenidos a este canal. Hoy me encuentro en medio de un campo de cereal. Me he parado aquí porque detrás de mí hay una tormenta perfecta. Estoy haciendo un timeline con la otra cámara, así que espero que se pueda ver. Ha habido descargas de truenos y rayos y a ver cómo me queda esto. Así que o me queda grande o me queda pequeño. Y nuevamente quiero daros las gracias a todos los que me apoyáis y gracias por manteneros en este canal que no conlleva mucho. Hostias. Hostia, que llueve, que llueve, que llueve, que llueve.
Sitting there gaslighting and confusing. Was it me? Is it me? Am I deluded? I'm the one who's always sorry, the conclusion. Even though I offer all of the solutions, I wish you loved me like I love you, it's stupid. When I'm alone with you, I never feel lucid. I wish I wasn't struck by Cupid. I wish when I first saw you, I knew this. When I'm with you, I feel so useless. I feel diluted, my heart's been wounded. Silhouettes of you are like a taunt. Never really know just what you want. With you I don't ever feel calm. I can feel the sweat inside my palms. Play with me like cats and a string. You don't understand the pain it brings. You don't ever wanna give me wings. You don't ever wanna set me free.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead,